Hi, this is Andrea Earl with a short tutorial on how to add a Google Doc or Google Slides assignment to Canvas and give each student their own copy. Start by creating a new assignment. I like to do it from the Modules menu. Select Plus, New Assignment, and go ahead and give it a name. And this one's going to be a hyperdoc on probability. And hit Add Item. All new assignments will automatically pop to the bottom of your module, but you can always move it later. I'm going to open the probability doc, the probability assignment, select Edit, and I'm going to type in my directions. And I'm going to say, we will complete this activity or this assignment as a class together, because I don't want the students working on it on their own. I'm going to add a point value. Maybe I want it worth 20 points, have it in the correct module. Now, here's where the magic comes in. For submission type, I'm going to select External Tool. I'm then going to select Find, and I'm going to slide down to the Google Drive Cloud Assignment. When you click on it, a pop-up box will show. You need to wait a little bit for it to generate. And then you need to find your assignment, and you can just search for it. And here I have my template, my probability hyperdoc. Select the document you want, select Submit, and then you need to hit Select again. When you get to the bottom, you hit Save. And now you will see the document is embedded in the bottom of the screen. Now, it looks kind of small sometimes for students to work on. They can simply click on the blue title to make it bigger. There's no need for them to share it with you. When I do documents, I always make sure there's a mini table for them to type in so that they can type. I can find their work easily. To submit, they just go back to Canvas. Where we have the share button, they will have a submit button, and they will submit their work. Now, I'm going to take a minute. I'm going to publish this assignment because I want to show you a common concern many people have. I'm going to hit Save and Publish. If I go to Student View, normally you can see everything the students can. So I'm going to click on Settings. I'm going to go to Student View. I'm going to hit Modules and find that assignment. The problem, here's my hyperdoc for probability. You will not see anything in this space. It is there, don't worry. However, you're signed in as a student now as a test student who does not have a Google account. So that's why you don't see anything. Not to worry, it's really there for the students. Again, this is Andrea Earl, and I hope this helped.